Hey guys, it's been a while since I have filmed a clean with me, and I am in my second trimester now, so my energy is slowly starting to come back. So I figured that I would do a clean with me video today, cleaning the bedrooms and the bathrooms upstairs. So I always start by picking up the rooms, making the beds, putting all the clothes away, putting anything away that kind of doesn't belong, and then I can move on to the vacuuming, the dusting, and all of that kind of thing. So moving on to my bathroom, I do the same thing, just kind of pick everything up from the counters, put everything away where it belongs, and then I can move on to the vacuuming and the cleaning. I have found what I think is the best method to clean my beauty sponges, my makeup brushes, and you don't even need to waste your time getting some fancy brush cleaner or soap. I think that Beauty Blender makes a really good soap that works well, but this Dial antibacterial soap works amazing and it's so cheap. Look at how clean it got my sponge in literally like 10 seconds. The same thing with the brush. And it's just amazing. It works so well. I typically do this like every couple of days, especially with my foundation brush and my beauty sponge. I just like them to be really clean.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
So I'm also in the middle of doing some laundry, and I just heard the little laundry alarm or whatever you want to call it go off. So I am quickly going to be putting that in the dryer and then just putting a new load into the washer, just so I'm kind of multitasking and getting everything done kind of at the same time. Just saves on time. And I always like to use some Lysol disinfectant spray to spray down the laundry baskets after I pull the clothes out. Okay, back to the bathrooms. I am using my new Dyson Stick cordless vacuum. This thing is amazing. I got it on sale. I think I found it at BJ's for like $2.50. It is perfect for just quickly going and vacuuming. You don't have to get your big vacuum out. It's super lightweight. I feel like the big vacuum is just too much for me sometimes being pregnant, and this thing is a dream.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Moving on to cleaning the sinks and the countertops. I have been loving using the soft scrub lately. This is the one with bleach. Normally I get the one, I think it's like Oxy or the one with like the hydrogen peroxide, but they've been sold out. But this one works really well as well. So to clean my countertops, I just use a little bit of just regular dish soap diluted down with some water, and it works perfect. It's cheap, it's easy, it's effective, it does the job.
Just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head.
And to disinfect my faucets, I just use a Lysol disinfectant wipe. And then I like to follow that up with using some alcohol, just like regular rubbing alcohol. And I just use that on a microfiber cloth, and it just does really well at just shining the chrome. And I also use that same alcohol to clean my glass when I don't have Windex or glass cleaner in the house.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So cleaning the toilet is obviously my least favorite bathroom cleaning activity. I do really like the Clorox. These are like the little tab cleaners, and they're just disposable. They pop right off. I will link the ones I get down below, but they're really a lifesaver. So to clean my cabinet hardware, I just use a little bit of that same rubbing alcohol solution just to kind of disinfect the handles and just keep them nice and shiny. Moving on to my shower, I am using the soft scrub again to clean my shower pan, and pretty much everything within the shower. It works really, really well. It's a really gentle cleaner, and I use that with a non-scratch sponge. Retractable shower hose is just awesome. I don't know about you, but when I had a shower without one of these things, it was just dreadful to kind of spray everything down after. I was like using buckets of water, and this just really makes things a lot easier and a lot faster. The soft scrub is really good at tackling all that soap scum that builds up in the shower. And I'll tell you what, these glass shower doors, they are beautiful, but they are a real pain in the butt to keep clean. So I'm just using the soft scrub to remove all the soap scum that has accumulated. And you really got to stay on top of it after every shower, squeegee, and then use the towel, because if you don't, it really, really builds up all the soap scum and the hard water stains.
No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
All right, so I'm almost done in the bathroom. Just gonna use the Swiffer to do a quick mop of the tile, and then I'm gonna dust, and then we're gonna be out of here.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go.
All right, busting out the Dyson stick again to quickly vacuum the hallway, the bathroom, the other bathroom upstairs, and the laundry room, and then I'm gonna be moving on to tackle bedroom number 2, which is my daughter's room.
It's no sweat. It's no sweat. It's no sweat. It's no sweat. It's no sweat.
So I'm doing a time lapse here of me tidying up her bedroom. First, I just kind of put everything away, and then I move on to the vacuuming and the dusting.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy
And of course, my stick vacuum died just when I had like a tiny little section left of her room to do. But I did have my big vacuum upstairs, so it's not that big of a deal. Bedroom's done, and I'm moving on to the kids' bathroom. I will eventually do a tour of this bathroom once it's all done. I still really haven't done much in here. I still need mirrors and some things like that. So I am just kind of tidying up here, and then I will follow the same steps that I did in my bathroom as far as the sinks, the countertops, and the shower, all the same cleaning products. So just enjoy. So now I just have to push around the Swiffer for a couple minutes in the bathroom here, and then I'm going to do it in the laundry room, and then I am done. Okay, so the upstairs is mostly cleaned. Everything's vacuumed, pretty much everything's dusted. My bedroom's clean, my daughter's bedroom's clean, bathrooms are clean. The laundry is just finishing up now. I just need to turn over my daughter's clothes, and then I have a load to fold in here. And then I have one more load to fold in my bedroom, so I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm thinking about doing a video where I'm gonna share all my favorite cleaning products. So if you'd be interested in that, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.